Hello friends, this is Toshi Mishra welcoming you all from the Dialects of English. Are you interested in learning English? Are you interested in watching Hollywood movies? Do you like Bollywood songs? Do you like paneer? The answer may be yes or no, nothing else. You must be wondering what this girl is doing. I simply want to clear the concept that in our whole day, how many times we are using these simple words yes, no, yes, no. Now it's becoming very boring. Okay? So don't you think we should change these words? We should improve our English or expand our English? In this video, I am going to do the same. Okay? I am going to replace yes or no by new interesting words that is very common and they are easy just like that. Okay? Means you can easily adopt these words. Okay? बहुत common है, आपने सुने होंगे या आपने पढ़े होंगे. You are knowing about these words. Okay? First of all, replacing yes. If a teacher asks you whether the concept is clear or not, or in office, if a boss or a senior or your colleague asks you whether the presentation is clear or not, then you can simply say totally or fully. Totally the concept is clear. Fully the presentation is clear. Okay? Now next, if a teacher asks you whether the homework is completed or not, because this is the most common question to be asked. Okay? So if your boss or your colleague asks you whether the assignment has been completed or not, then you can simply say definitely. Definitely I have completed my assignment. Or you can say certainly. Certainly I had completed my homework. Okay? Next, if someone asks you for help, can you please help me to get rid of this sum? Can you please help me to solve this math problem? Then you can simply say surely. If your friend is asking for that, then you can say of course. If someone that you are not knowing for a long time, then you can say definitely. Definitely I'll help you. Okay? Then simple sentence. If means in this sentence, if you simply want to say yes, then you can say like these sentences. We can take the example like, is your mother at home? Do you like to play piano? Do you like to play football? Then instead of saying yes, you can say yup. Yup, I like to play piano. Yup, my mother is at home. Or replacing that, you can say yeah. Yeah, my mother is at home. Yeah, I like to play piano. Or simply indeed. I like to play piano indeed. I like to go to a park indeed. Okay? These types of words you can use. Next, no. Now, it is always very rude to say a clear no. Although a clear rejection is always better than fake promises, but still being human, it is like feeling awkward to say no. So replacing no, using these polite words, you may not hurt the person and you also get satisfied or you also refuse the offer. First, if someone asks you to go outside, or you can take the example, hi Meera, we are going for a market, do you want to go with us? Would you like to join with us? Then you can simply say, I love to, but I had some urgent work. But I love to, but my mother is waiting at home. Okay? You are denying the offer, at the same time you are not hurting the person. Okay? If your friends is making plan to go outside, or to you can take the example that we are going for Shimla trip, would you like to join us? And if you don't have time, then you can simply say not now, another time. Not now, another time. Abhi nahi, fir kabhi. Okay? If your friends ask you to go, or if your friends or relatives or your family members ask you or throwing a party and inviting you to come, then you can simply say, even if I want, then also I can't. मैं चाहकर भी नहीं आ सकती. Even also I want, then also I can't. Okay. Now next, even like network marketing, affiliate marketing is spreading like a fire. So if you got any offer and you are not interested to do that, like in this way, that we have a great opportunity for your job, would you like to apply for it? Then you can simply say better chance next time, better chance next time. When you give, it means have you given any like SSC exam, bank exam, and if IIT exam, JE mains exam, and if you are not selected, then you get a simple message, better luck next time. Okay, so this is also a way of denying someone, better chance next time. Or if you are like appreciating, if you want to appreciate the offer, then you can simply say appreciated but I am not interested. Means the offer you are giving is fully appreciated, means मुझे अच्छा लगा but मैं अभी नहीं कर सकती, अभी मैं interested नहीं हूँ इसमें. Okay, now your work is to make these sentences, mean using these words you can make sentences and try to use it at your home, and after some time it become habitual for you. Okay, so that way